This is right here, Dad. If there's gonna be a trout in this hole, right behind that rock, that's deep.
The white thing?
Oh, good cast. I'm lefty, I'll never make that shot. There's a lot of rocks, so keep bouncing it. Look at the ice over the tree. That's cool. Could we wade here? Not today. Is it? Wow, that's deep. That's more than 3, that's probably 4. This is a good place to fish. Go cast. Oh, he even drew at the tree. He doesn't want you going left from where you're at. I mean, if I live there too. See, yeah, you're skipping it. That looks so like a fish. Got one? Good. I'm recording, so it's perfect. Oh, that's a monster. That's a good 16, 18 inches, homie. He bit it slowly or he slammed it? It's the bag, it's the bag, it's the Orvis.
Shelby, he's eating?
Yeah?
He's not alone, he's got a sister. Ready to go?
Yeah. There she goes, I can see it.
See it?
You're going back to